Welcome to the heart of South America, where a world of wonder awaits. In this episode, we embark on an unforgettable journey deep into the Amazon rainforest, a treasure trove of biodiversity and natural beauty. Hello, travelers! Today we find ourselves in the Amazon rainforest, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Join me as we unravel the mysteries and marvels of this extraordinary ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest spans over 5.5 million square kilometers, extending across 9 countries, including Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. It's often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, due to its crucial role in producing oxygen and regulating the climate. The Amazon rainforest is home to an incredible array of plants and animals, many of which cannot be found anywhere else on the planet. It's estimated that there are over 40,000 plant species and more than 2.5 million insect species here. Let's take a closer look at some of the incredible inhabitants of this lush ecosystem. From vibrant macaws to mischievous monkeys and elusive jaguars, the Amazon rainforest is teeming with life. It's a living laboratory, constantly evolving and adapting to its surroundings. One of the defining features of the Amazon rainforest is the mighty Amazon River. It stretches over 6,400 kilometers, making it the largest river in the world by volume. Its waters sustain a rich aquatic ecosystem, providing a lifeline for countless species. To truly understand the Amazon rainforest, we need to hear from those who call it home. Joining me today is a local guide with extensive knowledge of this incredible place. Welcome to the Amazon. This magnificent rainforest is not just a habitat for diverse flora and fauna. It's also home to indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. The indigenous communities of the Amazon rainforest have a deep connection to the land and possess a wealth of knowledge about its resources and medicinal plants. Their sustainable practices serve as a testament to the delicate balance we must strive to maintain. Sadly, the Amazon rainforest faces many threats today. Deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change put this fragile ecosystem in danger. It's crucial for us to act and protect this irreplaceable treasure. Together, we can make a difference. By supporting sustainable practices, promoting reforestation efforts, and raising awareness, we can help preserve the Amazon rainforest for future generations.